Feeling overwhelmed just thinking about writing a business plan? Most beginners freeze because they don't know where to start. Writing a business plan can feel like climbing a mountain, but AI makes it surprisingly fast. I typed this prompt into ChatGPT. You can pause here to copy it exactly. In just moments, you get a structured one-page plan with all the core elements, goals, target audience, and strategies. It is a perfect starting point even if you've never written a plan before. But a one-page draft is only the beginning. The AI Business Builder Challenge walks you step by step through turning this plan into a complete, actionable business that aligns with your goals. It is delivered in 5 beginner-friendly episodes, so you skip the overwhelm and learn exactly what to do next. You also get extras like the AI strategy call to review your plan in the copy and paste AI command database to streamline content creation and marketing. Bonuses worth thousands that are included free. Stop staring at a blank page. Let AI help you draft your business plan in minutes. The AI Business Builder Challenge shows you how to turn that draft into a real business, and it's just $17 to start. Check the link in the description to get started today.